Come test drive the 2012 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, stability control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power liftgate, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, climate control, premium sound system, rear defrost, center armrest, fog lamps, passenger airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.